Maintaining kidney health is essential for overall well-being, and proper hydration plays a crucial role in supporting kidney function. While drinking plain water is always beneficial, herbal teas offer additional advantages with their anti-inflammatory, diuretic, and cleansing properties. These natural remedies provide powerful support for the kidneys, helping to restore their function and promote detoxification. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is one of the best choices for those experiencing nausea or digestive issues. This flavorful spicy tea is packed with antioxidants that contribute to overall health and disease prevention. Studies on kidney disease patients suggest that ginger has a therapeutic effect on kidney function due to its bioactive compounds and nutrients. Ginger contains gingerol, a powerful medicinal compound that combats inflammation, a key factor in chronic kidney disease. Additionally, ginger tea helps prevent stomach ulcers, aids digestion, and relieves indigestion and constipation. It can also serve as a natural remedy for menstrual cramps, offering pain relief comparable to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs without harmful side effects. To make ginger tea, slice fresh ginger and add it to boiling water, letting it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes before straining. Adding lemon, orange slices, or a touch of honey enhances its taste while preserving its health benefits. Nettle leaf tea. Nettle leaf tea is another potent herbal remedy known for its detoxifying and anti-inflammatory properties. Nettle leaves are rich in minerals and have been used as a traditional tonic for overall health, particularly for supporting the urinary system. Despite their stinging nature, when fresh, dried nettle leaves lose their irritant properties and become safe for consumption. Nettle tea is effective in reducing joint pain and inflammation, making it an excellent choice for those with kidney disease. It is also a diuretic, helping the kidneys flush out toxins and excess fluids. To prepare nettle tea, steep 1 tablespoon of dried nettle leaves in hot water for 5 minutes. Green tea. Green tea is an excellent substitute for coffee and a powerful therapy for kidney health. Unlike regular tea, green tea is minimally processed and retains high levels of catechins, which are phytonutrients that protect cells from damage. Research has shown that green tea consumption is linked to lower risks of heart disease and cancer. Additionally, the polyphenols in green tea support cardiovascular health by relaxing blood vessels, which benefits kidney function as well. Green tea is also known to improve insulin sensitivity, making it a useful drink for those managing diabetes, the leading cause of chronic kidney disease. However, it is recommended to avoid drinking green tea with meals as it can interfere with iron absorption. It is also a great alternative for reducing caffeine intake while still providing an energy boost. Horsetail tea. Horsetail tea is a historically revered remedy used since ancient Roman and Greek times to support kidney health. This herb has mild diuretic properties, aiding in the removal of excess fluids and toxins from the body. Its high antioxidant content helps protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. Additionally, horsetail tea has been shown to regulate blood sugar levels, further supporting kidney function. It is also beneficial for skin, nails, and bone health due to its high silica content, which helps the body store calcium. Horsetail is widely available and easy to prepare. To make horsetail tea, steep 1 teaspoon of dried horsetail in hot water for at least 15 minutes before drinking. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is one of the best herbal teas for kidney health due to its ability to lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and promote restful sleep. Poor sleep quality can negatively impact kidney function, making chamomile's sleep-inducing properties highly beneficial. This tea also improves digestion and reduces stress, both of which play important roles in maintaining kidney health. Studies suggest that chamomile tea helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially beneficial for those with diabetes. To reap the maximum benefits, drink a cup of chamomile tea every evening to support relaxation and overall well-being. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is a vibrant, tangy drink known for its ability to lower blood pressure, making it highly beneficial for kidney health. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney disease, and drinking hibiscus tea regularly can significantly reduce systolic and diastolic pressure. Additionally, hibiscus is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and protect kidney cells from damage. This tea also supports liver health and helps regulate cholesterol levels. To make hibiscus tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Rosemary tea. Rosemary tea is a lesser-known yet highly beneficial herbal infusion for kidney function. Rosemary contains compounds that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to kidney disease. Studies suggest that rosemary may help lower creatinine levels and support kidney function by protecting against damage caused by diabetes and high blood pressure. Additionally, rosemary improves circulation, aids digestion, and boosts cognitive function. To prepare rosemary tea, steep 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary leaves in hot water for 10 minutes. Herbal tea blend for kidney health. A powerful herbal blend combining chamomile, hibiscus, rosemary, and dandelion root provides enhanced benefits for kidney function. Hibiscus flowers are rich in antioxidants and have been shown to lower blood pressure, which is crucial for kidney health. Chamomile tea further supports kidney function by reducing inflammation and promoting relaxation. Rosemary leaves, traditionally used to improve circulation and digestion, offer kidney protective benefits by reducing oxidative stress. Dandelion root serves as a natural diuretic, helping detoxify the kidneys and eliminate excess fluids. This herbal combination creates a potent kidney-supporting tea. How to make the herbal tea blend? For a simple preparation method, boil a cup of water and steep a chamomile tea bag, a hibiscus tea bag, and 1 teaspoon of rosemary leaves for 10 minutes. Drink this tea twice a day for optimal results. To enhance the potency, a decoction method can be used, which involves soaking the herbs for at least 2 hours before boiling and then simmering for 15 minutes. This method extracts maximum benefits from the herbs and provides a stronger detoxifying effect. The benefits of dandelion root. Dandelion root can be added to further amplify the tea's effectiveness. This root is known for its cleansing properties and ability to support kidney health by promoting detoxification. However, it is important to purchase organic dandelion root to avoid contamination with heavy metals and pesticides. By incorporating these herbal teas into a daily routine, individuals can naturally support their kidney function, improve overall health, and experience the benefits of herbal medicine in a safe and effective way.